Hey, Tim here. You ever feel like there's too much shit going on in your head? Boy, I felt like that my whole damn life. That's why I started trying to get a hold of my brain. Damn brain, dang flying around off everywhere. Problem was, whole time growing up, all the time, everything I was doing, I didn't care about nothing. I damn putting all this garbage in my head, dang listening to damn music, weird musics, stupid people, smoking weed and pounding booze and doing things shouldn't ought to been doing. Hanging out with stupid people. I hung out with these one people, boy. I'd get weed from them, but boy, they lived on their mama's land. They had this little camper, one of them little beavers. It's just like a little living room and then a sink here and then a little back like bedroom cut off on it. Lived in that with a kid. Kept the heat up so high. It stink. I went over there one time, boy. They had a dog in a cage that had died. Boy, they let that whole dog sit. Right outside the door, sit there and decay all the way down into nothing. I guess there's worse things than letting your head get cluttered, because that's just way too far gone there. But it's a big problem. Been hard to get your mind clear. Now I dang been working on stuff for quite a while now. When I finally seen that there was more to life than just running around in damn circles. Now it's pretty easy fix. If you like this kind of stuff, like, share, subscribe, help me get this word out to people. This stuff needs to be talked to kids, so they don't grow up their whole life and piss it away too, like I did. I was on the right track and everything, staying out of debt and all that stuff, but it's an easy fix, man. There's a damn video at the end of this thing if you want to fast forward through it. But yeah, there's an easy fix to it. Stop smoking weed and pounding booze. No, I'm kidding. That does help. That would help a lot. But the biggest thing that's helped me, and I've been doing it consistently for quite a while. When you get up in the morning, your first 15, 20 minutes, put good stuff in your head. Do smart things. Don't start scrolling or turning on TV or even a radio or nothing, Bo. I drink some damn water, and I'll either sit down in the quiet and try to think of things and make money or things to do to profit on. I'll sit there, I'll write and stuff. Now they say reading helps too, but that always just made me tired in the morning. So I save my reading for later. Try to cut out some of that TV time. And another thing is, and I'm telling you, boy, if you do that 15, 20 minutes in the morning, even listening to like some logic maybe on YouTube or something to get you going, you will actually feel that right then. It starts right then. Your whole day will be programmed that you're in charge for the day, man. You will seriously, it's awesome. And when you get done with that, go into your day, but always question yourself. Is this what I'm hearing or what I'm thinking? Is this helping me or making me worse? If you start hanging out with a bunch of potato heads or something, try to avoid that stuff, man. You don't need a bunch of crap in your damn head. Because the smarter things you put in your head, the smarter off you're going to be, and money will come, relationship will come, everything will come right your damn way. And it's just great, because if you start getting like a bad thought, replace it. If it's like something like, man, I got this feeling because I got ripped off, deal with it. It's just a feeling you're having right now. It's not you. You're just feeling it. Read it. You're sad, read it. Don't just, oh man, hang your head down and start shaking and crying in your damn beer. It just don't pay off that way, boy. All your emotions, if you keep letting your emotions run you, they'll run you right in the ground, Bo. They're signals. You gotta read them and decipher them. I mean, don't bury them. Figure them out and just don't let it hurt you. The feelings you're feeling, they're just temporary. It'll pass. Kind of like you ever done something real stupid. You felt stupid all day and maybe a couple days. It fades off. It goes away. So who cares? And another thing is, I guess it's, I don't know what the word is for it, but always figure no matter what happens, you'll survive. You will not collapse. It's not the end of the freaking world. I mean, I just got some bad news a little while ago. I just brushed it off and kept on ticking. It was a dang money deal. But like I say, money comes, money goes. And I mean, the biggest thing for this clear head too is debt. But that's a whole other thing, Bo, because if you're in debt, you're in debt. I mean, you need to work on that shit. My granddaughter, I don't know how we got on the subject, but I said, well, you think so-and-so is rich and got a lot of money? And their kids are, yeah, they got a lot of stuff, and he's got a lot of stuff, she's got a lot of stuff. They're always spending money and, you know, nice cars and all that stuff. She's like, yeah. And I was like, no, honey. I said, they ain't rich at all. They ain't got no money. Matter of fact, they owe a lot of money. I drew a little graph. I said, see, right here's zero. Then I drew how far in debt they are and stuff. I said, see, you ain't got no money, but you can get ahead a lot quicker than they can, because they got to dig themselves way up where you're starting right there and it's all you. Now, I guess I'm going off into another thing, but that would clear your head a lot. If you ain't got that worry over you, just like everybody was asking me why I was so happy at work. That's why, because I wasn't in debt, and if I wanted to leave my job, I didn't have to say, okay, I'll do it, and run around like a damn puppy dog and kissing butt and ratting people out or any shit like that. But we damn got to keep my freedom, man. I don't know, like, share, subscribe. If you get into this stuff, I think it does me better than it does probably anybody I talk to. I don't know. I hope it does people good. Like I say, if you comment in here, let me know if there's other stuff I can talk about. If you aren't fucking building something or making something or trying to progress into your own thing, you ain't gonna go nowhere. And I know I keep repeating this. You dang people living a year 70 times and calling it a life, man. You gotta start building things and making things. Like I say, I got that ebook down there. It's free. How to create an ebook. It's basic as hell. You could have an ebook by the end of the damn day. Get some of that real estate. All this stuff I've been talking about. I made another book. It's called Freedom. Discipline is Freedom. That's good stuff in there. But you just keep watching these videos. I keep talking about the same old thing. I never had no guidance. I just want to spread the word, man. I want to help people out. Stay sharp, keep your nose clean, and owe no one. That's living, baby.